Write user-defined function using pointer to swap value of two variables. And first, I declare two variables which are int a and b. To print the information, printf enter first digit, scanf to take input from user, %d, ampersand a, printf enter second digit, scanf percentage ampersand b. Now we are going to call a function swap ampersand comma ampersand b. When you pass parameter by reference using ampersand, the function works with the original argument, not a copy. Int pointer a and int pointer b. When parameter is declared with asterisk, it means the function is receiving pointer to a variable, not the variable itself. To swap the value using third variable, first we have to declare the third variable name. Temp equal to pointer a equal to pointer b, pointer b equal to temp. The full form of temp is temporary. Now we just have to print the final answer. /n to give a new line. The first digit percent a, printf /n. The second digit %d comma b. Now let's see the output. First digit 5, second digit 6. As you can see, the value is